Hey everybody, welcome to the class. So this is just a recording of the first lecture that we'll be going over. So let's go ahead and get started. I used to spend a lot of time going through all the little nitty-gritty things and reviewing stuff, but in the end I found that a lot of the stuff that I reviewed didn't really play into this. So I think I'm just going to rip the band-aid off and teach you OChem. And I think that will be fun. And if we need to fill in gaps along the way, we will. So here is one of the first things you'll need to know, that if you have a carbon with one, or if you have a chain of carbons with one carbon, it's a meth, 2 is eth, 3 is prop, etc. So you'll have to memorize this all the way down through this because I don't even know. I guess I knew ONDEC and DADEC, but icosane, I have no idea that was 20. So anyways, just memorize 1 through 10, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, etc. These are the prefixes. And then the suffix for organic structures is going to be as follows. If you have a single bond, it's going to be ane. If you have a double bond, it's going to be ene. And if you have a triple bond, it's going to be ine. And they happen to be in alphabetical order if you need help remembering those. A-E-Y. So ane, ene, ine. Okay, so these two ideas right here pair together to make organic structures. And we're talking about organic chemistry. What we're talking about is essentially the chemistry of carbon. So let me give you an example. Let's say I want to draw eth-ane. Okay. The prefix eth tells me that there's going to be 2 carbons. So I'm going to draw a carbon and a carbon. And the suffix ane tells me that they're going to be single bonded. Boom. Cool? Okay. Now, already gets us really, really far. The next part of organic chemistry is to remember that carbon wants 4 bonds. Carbon always wants to have 4 bonds. I have a friend, oh man, I'm going to show you my art skills here. They're really bad. She's got well, I almost had it. I should have gone like this. She has a kitty cat. And it has all 4 legs. And it's all black. And she named it carbon. At any given time, carbon has 4 legs, and we're going to think about that as 4 bonds. Okay, so carbon always makes 4 bonds. So going back over to this ethane, this carbon, hopefully you agree, only has 1 bond, and this carbon over here only has 1 bond as well. So what you do is you fill in the rest of them with hydrogens. Okay, so this carbon has 1, so it needs 1, 2, 3 hydrogens.